Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Desmond, the rideshare whisperer, coming to bring you a brand new video today to help you make more money doing Uber and or Lyft, guys. Listen up. Today's video, I have something that's very, very, very needed to your knowledge bank to make sure that you have success and don't lose money when you're out there driving. And guys, this is specifically for people who drive for Lyft. Lyft drivers, as you know, if you drive for Lyft and you get a request to pick somebody up and it's a 20 minutes away, 18 minutes away, 17 minutes away, 16 minutes away, 15 minutes away, 25 minutes away, which that is kind of rare to do 25 minutes away, because 9 times out of 10 they would just tell a person no rides available. But you get what I'm trying to say. You get the idea, all right? And now, here's the problem about those type of trips. It's too far to go pick these people up. It really is, guys. And here's the other problem with those trips on Lyft. Lyft does not tell you how far the person's going. They don't. So it's really a roll of the dice, guys. And then they want you to go pick these people up, and it really sucks, guys. So I'm going to actually help you out today and tell you what is the best method to dealing with trips, ride requests that requires long pickups on Lyft, guys. Since Lyft does not seem that they don't care that the driver has to drive. You know, if it's a 20-minute request, and let's say for instance it's early in the morning where there's not a lot of traffic, that trip can be anywhere between 10 miles if it's in the city to the whole 20 miles if it's on the interstate. And for those who don't understand it, let me do the math for you. Pretty much on the platform, if a trip says it's 18 minutes away, if it's through the city, that equates to 9 miles, because they say 2 minutes per mile, okay? But they still don't put in the lights or whatever you might have to go through. So you have to factor that in. If it's on the interstate, then you're looking at 18 miles driving empty cargo to go pick somebody up. Now here's the other problem with that. You get there to pick that person up, they might just be doing a round trip to the gas station, which is like a quarter mile down the road from their house, to get some cigarettes or whatever, some candy, beer, whatever, some chips, and then go back home. So now you drove 20 miles to go pick somebody up to take them to the gas station. Then they spend 10 minutes in there, and you're not making any real money while you're sitting there. You're sitting there and you're making 11 cents per minute while they're in the gas station doing whatever it is that they want to do. And then you take them back home, and when it's all said and done, you make $2.37. What the heck is that? That is no money. That is a waste of your time. And the real messed up part about it is Lyft don't care. They don't care the fact that you had to drive 20 miles to go pick this person up to go a mile on the road. They don't care that you spent time picking this person up. They don't care that it costs you gas to go pick this person up. They don't care that they actually put extra miles in your vehicle. They do not care. You know? So here's the thing. Why should you do it? It's absolutely insane for you to go ahead and do it. So guys, I'm going to tell you what you should do in those situations. This is what I do, guys. And like I said, I'm dropping these videos to help you as Lyft drivers make money and not lose money, because there's a lot of pitfalls in this thing. So here's my solution to this problem, guys. I don't care what time of the day, where I'm at, it does not matter to me, because Lyft will not pay us to go pick up people who are long pickups. I give them a 5-mile window. If I get a trip request and it's 5 miles and below from where I'm currently at, I'm going to pick that person up. Even though that person may only be going to the gas station around the corner and coming back, I'll roll the dice on that. Anything past 5 miles, I'm not moving. Period. That's just that. I am not moving. Why? Because if that person's going, if it takes me 7 miles to get there and that person is going 3 miles somewhere, I took a loss. The only person who won out that situation was the rider, and of course Lyft, they won. But you, as the person who had to facilitate that trip for the company to make that money, you take an L. And practically, quite frankly, they don't give a damn. So my rule is, if it's 5 and below, I go. 5 and above, no love. That's just it. I'm not moving. And yes, I do get trips like back to back to back, and there be trips that's 18 minutes away. I've gotten trips that's, it's 12 minutes away. And they do little sneaky stuff. Like they'll send you a request and say, okay, the person's like 8 minutes away, but then it's 8 minutes on the interstate, so it ends up being 8 miles. So you accept the trip, and then you realize it's too far away. So what do? I go in, I click on cancel the trip. Reason why I'm canceling the trip, pickup is too far. That's that. I am not driving long distances on Lyft's platform to pick anybody up. The only exception to this is if I decide that if it's a trip that's going to be going to an airport, like, you know, where it's going to be a kind of a long trip. Maybe if I want to get out of my city and I want to take someone somewhere, or if it's slow and I say, you know what, I'm going to take this person to the airport. If it's in Charleston, South Carolina, or Charlotte, North Carolina, or whatever else, and you know, and I want to go and hang out there for the day anyway, and I'll go ahead and do rideshare, do Uber and Lyft while I'm up there. Then, so if the pickup for that person, let's say for instance you get a request that comes in and it says 45+ minute trip, well then you know that trip's going to be worth you driving 10 miles to go pick that person up. So then if you're open to doing those type of trips, yeah, take the trip, make the money. Because if they're going 80 miles up the interstate somewhere, you're gonna make a nice little chunk of change off of that. But the thing, you know, that's the only way, guys. Anything below that, because Lyft does not tell you how far they're going, it's not worth the gamble. I would not roll the dice on it. So my rule, once again, for doing Lyft, and this should be the rules you should take too: 5 miles, 5 and below, I go. 5 and above, no love. So guys, I hope this video helps you out, because I know a lot of people are tired of getting screwed over. They go and they accept these long trips to go on Lyft, and they get there and this person's going 2 miles on the road. There's nothing against the rider, because it's not the rider that's doing this. It's Lyft. It's the company that's doing that. So guys, I wanted to get this video out to you guys so you can help you out. At any rate, guys, if you do see that this video is beneficial to you, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Also, click the subscribe button on my channel so you can get more content as I release it on YouTube. And if you really like me and if you really like the content I'm putting out, guys, go ahead and click that bell in the bottom right corner so that every time I put out new content, guys, you get an email right in your inbox about my new content, guys. And last thing I want to let everybody know as well, if you are currently a rideshare driver on Uber or Lyft, and you were not able to you signed up direct with the company, you weren't able to get that bonus that they give you by signing up through an affiliate link, you may be able to get that bonus retroactive. So below this video, in the bio on this video, I have my links there. You can go ahead and sign up, use your original information that you used to originally sign up, and you may be able to get that bonus to go retroactive, guys. And if you are a new person looking to get into the rideshare industry to make some extra money, guys, go to those same links in my bio, click on get started. After you do so many trips, you get an extra bonus deposit in your bank account, guys. That's good stuff. So at any rate, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. That's it. Until the next time, Desmond the Rideshare Whisperer, I'm out. Peace.